Hey, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Hey, I just want to make a really short video about this guitar right here. A lot of you have 12 strings, and you know I play 12 strings a lot, and this is an Art Luthrie, and yesterday I got a bridge doctor in the mail. It's an accessory that goes on a guitar, and it's especially important on a 12 string. I wish they would just come with the guitar. And as you can see right now, my guitar's got a gold tooth right there. Well, what you do is, comes with actually 6 pins, brass pins, but this is holding a block inside the guitar, screws up there. Then this block has a hole in it with a threaded set screw that goes this way, and then you stick a dowel rod in here and it goes up on the block of the guitar over here. And you adjust that, tighten this dowel rod up, and it brings your belly bulge out of your sound board right here. This used to have a bit of a belly bulge, so I got that done. And then today I had to take it apart and shim up the bridge because it was a little bit too low and the strings weren't hitting the bridge. But I got that done, but man, it's like, I don't know if you can see this or not. I don't know. Look, take a look at that. The strings are low. I mean, here's the octave here. Get some dirt off my hands. Well, here, let's take it for a short run. Let's see if now I gotta forewarn you, I'm gonna be singing in this one, so it's not for the squeamish, you know what I mean? So hang in there. There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. I ain't seen my babe in 99 and 1/2 days. Wait a minute, something's wrong here. The key won't unlock the door. Wait a minute, something's wrong. The key won't unlock the door. Got a sad feeling. My baby don't live here no more. That's okay, I got my guitar. There's a red house over yonder, yeah. Hey, that's where my baby stays. There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. I ain't seen my baby in 99 and 1/2 days. Hey, wait a minute, something's wrong here. My key won't lock the door. Hey, wait a minute, something's wrong. Hey, my key won't lock the door. Got a sad, sad feeling. Baby, don't wanna live here no more. That's okay, I got my guitar. Guess I'll go over yonder, way back in the hills. Guess I'll go over yonder, way back in the hills. If my baby don't love me, I know her sister will. Red House. All right, she plays pretty good.